Friends, let me tell you, there's a storm brewing in the tech world. Artificial intelligence is exploding and everyone's chasing the leader, NVIDIA. But while Wall Street is busy showering NVIDIA with praise and cash, they're missing a huge opportunity: AMD. AMD is a sleeping giant, folks. They're making big moves in the AI space, and their stock is ridiculously undervalued. This isn't just some hunch. This is about recognizing potential where others see only shadows. AMD is on the verge of breaking out. They're developing cutting-edge AI hardware that's giving NVIDIA a run for its money. And the best part? You can still get in on the ground floor. This is an opportunity you can't afford to miss. Let's talk numbers, because that's what gets Wall Street's attention. When it comes to the tech giants, the financial metrics are what really tell the story. Investors and analysts alike are always on the lookout for the next big thing. And right now, the spotlight is on NVIDIA and AMD. NVIDIA's stock is on fire, no doubt. Over the past few years, we've seen an incredible surge in their stock price, driven by their dominance in the GPU market and their foray into AI and data centers. But their price-to-sales ratio is through the roof. This metric, which compares a company's stock price to its revenue, suggests that NVIDIA's stock might be overvalued. Investors are paying a premium for NVIDIA's future growth, but is it justified? It's like they're selling digital gold. The demand for their products is sky high and their branding is top-notch. However, high expectations can sometimes lead to disappointment if the company doesn't deliver on its promises. Don't get me wrong, NVIDIA is a great company. Their innovations in graphics technology and AI have set them apart from the competition, but with great success comes great scrutiny, and their current valuation is raising eyebrows. But their current valuation, it's unsustainable. Now look at AMD. While NVIDIA has been grabbing headlines, AMD has been steadily climbing the ranks. Their stock performance has been impressive, but without the same level of hype. Their stock has been performing well, but their PS ratio is much more reasonable. This means that investors aren't overpaying for AMD's revenue, making it a potentially safer bet. They're delivering the goods, but the market hasn't fully priced in their AI potential. AMD is making significant strides in the AI and data center markets, areas that are expected to see massive growth in the coming years. This is a classic case of a company being undervalued because Wall Street is too busy chasing the hype train. While NVIDIA is basking in the limelight, AMD is quietly building a strong foundation for future growth. This is where you come in. As an investor, it's crucial to look beyond the headlines and dig into the numbers. Understanding the fundamentals can help you make informed decisions. Smart investors buy low and sell high. This age-old strategy is all about identifying undervalued stocks and capitalizing on their potential. And right now, AMD is screaming, "Buy me!" With their strong performance and reasonable valuation, they present a compelling investment opportunity. They're perfectly positioned to capitalize on the AI boom, and their stock price hasn't even begun to reflect that. As the AI industry continues to grow, AMD's potential for expansion and increased market share makes them a stock to watch closely. The AI market is exploding, folks. It's growing at an unprecedented rate, and it's touching every aspect of our lives. From healthcare to finance, from entertainment to education, AI is becoming an integral part of our daily routines. It's not just a fad, it's the future. The integration of AI into various sectors is not only enhancing efficiency, but also opening up new avenues for innovation and growth. Companies that recognize this are positioning themselves for long-term success, and AMD is right there on the front lines, ready to ride this wave to the top. Their leadership team is laser-focused on leveraging AI to drive their next phase of growth. They're not just observing the trends, they're actively shaping them. They're not just dipping their toes in the water, they're diving in head first. AMD is committing significant resources to ensure they stay ahead of the curve. This isn't a half-hearted effort, it's a full-scale commitment to leading the AI revolution. AMD is investing heavily in AI research and development. They're pouring funds into cutting-edge projects and hiring top talent from around the world. Their R&D teams are working tirelessly to push the boundaries of what's possible with AI technology. They're building partnerships with major players in the industry. By collaborating with other tech giants and innovative startups, AMD is creating a robust ecosystem that fosters innovation and accelerates the development of new AI solutions. They're creating the hardware and software that will power the AI revolution. From high-performance processors to advanced algorithms, AMD's products are designed to meet the demanding needs of AI applications. They're ensuring that their technology is at the heart of the AI-driven future. This isn't a gamble, it's a calculated move to dominate a rapidly growing market. AMD's strategic investments and partnerships are all part of a well-thought-out plan to secure their position as a leader in the AI space. They're playing the long game, and they're playing to win. This is what separates the winners from the losers in the tech world vision. AMD's leadership has a clear vision of where the industry is headed and how they can capitalize on emerging opportunities. They're not just reacting to changes, they're anticipating them and positioning themselves accordingly. AMD sees the future, and they're building it. Their commitment to innovation and excellence is evident in every project they undertake. They're not just building products, they're building the future of technology. They understand that AI is the next big thing, and they're putting all their chips on the table. AMD is going all in on AI, and their bold approach is already starting to pay off. They're not afraid to take risks because they know the potential rewards are enormous, and that's why I'm so bullish on their future. AMD's strategic positioning, innovative approach, and unwavering commitment to AI make them a formidable player in the tech industry. As they continue to push the envelope, there's no doubt that their future is bright and full of promise. Let's talk tech, baby. AMD isn't just talking the talk, they're walking the walk. They're developing some seriously impressive hardware that's going to shake up the AI world. I'm talking about their MI300X GPU and their EPIC CPUs. The MI300X is a beast of a GPU, specifically designed for AI workloads. It's going head-to-head with NVIDIA's top-of-the-line chips, and it's holding its own. And the EPIC CPUs, they're the brains behind the operation, providing the raw processing power that AI demands. This is where the rubber meets the road. AMD is building the tools that will power the AI applications of tomorrow. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AMD's hardware is going to be there every step of the way. Section 5: AMD's winning streak, strong performance and a bright future. Don't just take my word for it, look at the numbers. AMD's recent financial performance has been stellar. They're beating earnings estimates, their revenue is soaring, and their future projections are through the roof. This isn't a fluke, folks. This is the result of smart leadership, strategic investments, and a commitment to innovation. AMD is firing on all cylinders, and they're just getting started. This is what I call a recipe for success. AMD has all the ingredients: a hot market, innovative products, and a solid track record. This is a company that's built to win, and their stock price is going to reflect that sooner rather than later. Section 6: Wall Street's blind spot, why AMD is being overlooked. So, with all this going for it, why is Wall Street sleeping on AMD? It's simple, they're short-sighted. Despite AMD's impressive advancements in technology and consistent performance improvements, Wall Street seems to be fixated on the immediate gains rather than the long-term potential. They're so busy chasing the latest fad that they're missing the bigger picture. The market is often driven by hype and trends, and right now, AMD isn't the shiny new toy that everyone is talking about. Instead, it's a solid performer with a promising future that isn't getting the attention it deserves. They see NVIDIA's sky-high stock price and they jump on the bandwagon. NVIDIA has been the darling of Wall Street, with its stock price soaring to new heights. This has led many investors to overlook AMD despite its competitive products and strategic moves in the market. They don't have the patience or the foresight to see the long-term potential of AMD. Investing in AMD requires a vision for the future, and understanding that the company's innovations in processors and graphics technology will pay off in the long run. They're too busy chasing quick profits to recognize a truly undervalued opportunity. The focus on short-term gains means that many investors are missing out on the chance to invest in a company that is steadily building a strong foundation for future growth. This is where you can outsmart the market. By taking a step back and looking at the broader picture, you can see the potential that AMD holds. It's about recognizing the value in a company that is not just following trends, but setting them. While Wall Street is busy chasing shadows, you can be buying up shares of a company that's poised to dominate the future. AMD's strategic investments in new technologies and its commitment to innovation make it a strong contender in the tech industry. This is your chance to get in on the ground floor of the next big thing. By investing in AMD now, you're positioning yourself to benefit from the company's future successes. Don't let Wall Street's short-sightedness cause you to miss out on this opportunity. Take the time to do your research, understand the market trends, and make an informed decision. AMD is not just a stock, it's a long-term investment in a company with a bright future. Section 7. Don't miss the boat, the AMD investment opportunity. Listen up, because this is important. AMD is a rare opportunity. They're a well-established company with a proven track record of innovation. They're operating in a rapidly growing market with massive potential. And their stock is undervalued. This is not a drill, folks. This is your chance to invest in a company that's on the verge of greatness. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. This is your chance to be a part of something big. Don't be the one kicking yourself later for not getting in on the action. AMD is a rocket ship ready to launch, and you can be on board for the ride. Section 8. Patience is key riding out the market's short-sightedness. Now, I'm not going to lie to you, the market can be irrational. It can take time for a company's true value to be recognized. But that's where patience comes in. Don't panic if you don't see AMD's stock price skyrocketing overnight. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are great fortunes. Hold on to your shares, believe in the company, and let the market catch up to reality. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. The real winners are those who can see the long game. And in the long game, AMD is a sure bet. Section 9. The future is bright. AMD's potential to dominate the tech landscape. Mark my words, folks. AMD is going to be a major player in the tech world for years to come. They have the vision, the technology, and the momentum to become a true giant. This isn't just about AI, it's about the future of computing. AMD is at the forefront of a technological revolution, and they're poised to reap the rewards. So if you're looking for a smart investment with massive upside potential, look no further than AMD. This is a company that's going places, and you can be along for the ride. Buy, hold,